You put in so much work, you're videoing yourself, you're editing yourself. Let's say for YouTube, you're finding keywords, you're doing your thumbnail yourself and all that. And you post and you get like 7 views, 10 views. It's not easy. Oh. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Josephine here. If you're a new subscriber or this is your first time stopping by my video, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'd love to have you here all the time. So please do well to subscribe, join the family. And if you're an old subscriber, I see you, I love you, and thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is not a review, it's not a vlog, it's not a tutorial. I just want to sit and have a honest conversation with you guys. I want to talk about how it's actually like to grow your channel as a small creator, or grow your social media pages as a small creator. Because when I started creating content, I watched a lot of how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow your Instagram channel and all that. They made it sound so simple. Be authentic, post consistently, find your niche. I did all that and it was still very hard. So if you're a small creator trying to grow your channel or any of your social media pages now, grab a snack because I'm going to get real into the conversation. I'm going to talk about certain things they don't tell you, like you need to know that there are certain things that are going to happen along the way as a creator. It is normal. It's bound to happen. It doesn't happen to everyone because some people are very lucky. They just blow up their channels or blow up their accounts, just like that. But it rarely happens. So these are certain things that you really need to know when you're growing your channel or when you're growing your social media pages. Which mosquito is... Sorry about that. Point number 1, your views do not come fast. Yes. You're not going to get 100k views, 10k views, or let's say 5k views that fast. Sometimes even 1,000 views is going to take you a very long time of posting before you get 1,000 views on your post. So the views are not going to come as fast as you think. You put in so much work, you're videoing yourself, you're editing yourself. Let's say for YouTube, you're finding keywords, you're doing your thumbnail yourself and all that. And you post and you get like 7 views, 10 views. It's not easy. It's so discouraging. It's very, very discouraging, especially when you're looking at other people's channel and you're like, why is this person blowing up all of a sudden? Or why is this person getting 10k views? I'm in the same niche as the person. I'm doing the same thing as the person. Why am I getting this low views? And the person is doing so well. You are going to get discouraged and you keep asking yourself, what am I not doing right? But here's what I learned. When you see somebody's channel blow up all of a sudden, when you go back to their old videos, you can tell that they've been posting consistently for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years before their video blew up. We mostly do not see that part. We only see the success of other people and it makes us feel like we're not doing enough. The views are going to be slow. Just put it in your head that your views are going to be slow. If you're lucky and your views are coming in fast, that's it for you. But on the norm, when you start this channel, when you start your social media pages, the views are going to be small. Still put in the work, still do the posting, you get the slow views. Don't let it discourage you. We'll get there, okay? Point number 2, consistency is harder than it looks. It is very harder than it looks. Everybody will say, post more, post consistently, post every day. But what they are not telling you is filming when you're tired. Going through the editing maybe right after filming just because you want to stay consistent. It's not easy. Consistency is not easy. They make it sound like it's something that is easy for you to do. You just have to psych yourself. You have to psych your brain. Plan. That is how you're going to be very consistent on this journey. Coming up with ideas to post, relevant ideas, not just any ideas, but coming up with valuable or relevant ideas to film, to edit. Editing is one thing I dread so much. I don't like editing because you always have to be in a certain state of mind or a certain state of mood when you're editing. Editing is, I'll say, the backbone of your video. Some videos do not even carry a lot of value, but people love it because of their editing. because of their editing style. People will like it because of their editing style. But it's consistency is a whole ball game on its own. You have to plan out your content. You have to come up with ideas. You always have to edit. You have to film by yourself, making sure you are audible. And when you press record and you sit in front of a camera, the tension and the pressure on you, it's not easy. It's not easy. Consistency is not as easy as they make it look like. It's not so easy. Sometimes life will happen. You get busy, you get sick, and you can't film, you can't edit to post. But my take on consistency is finding your way back to do it when you fall out. Consistency is not perfection. Missing a whole week, missing a whole month of not posting on your page or your channel doesn't mean you have to quit. No. Yeah, when you start posting back, the views are going to come down because obviously you've not posted for some time now, but you do not have to quit. If it's really something you love doing, you have to continue to do it. Point number 3 is comparing yourself to other creators. It is something that will definitely happen along the way, comparing yourself to other creators. Yeah, because sometimes you look at other creators in your niche content and they are having 100K followers or subscribers, millions of subscribers, millions of followers, and you're thinking they're not even doing anything better than what I'm doing. Her editing or her style of bringing up content is not even different from mine. I think I can even do better than them. It brings you into that comparison trap, which is not healthy at all, because comparison will steal your joy. It won't even make you see the effort you're putting in your work. It will not even make you celebrate the small wins that you are winning in your own way. It's making you focus so much on somebody, and you are noticing that person's growth, that person's joy, and you are not seeing your joy. You're not seeing your growth. It is stealing that away from you. It is normal. That these are certain things that you need to know, that you are going to compare yourself to other creators along the way. But what I want you to have in mind is it is just supposed to be like an inspiration. You are supposed to look at the other people as an inspiration to yourself and not to make it look like you're not doing anything. You are doing something for yourself. You are doing a lot for yourself. Just do not compare yourself to other people. Just pick inspiration from them. That is how it's going to help you grow, because whether you like it or not, people will be better than you. They have a different personality than me. I do not have to compare myself to them. That will make you come back to yourself. Keep doing what you're doing, and then you get your results. Point number 4, the algorithm is not your enemy. Neither is it your friend. Can we talk about the algorithm for a second? Because especially YouTube, you keep thinking to yourself, why are you not pushing my content? Why are you not recommending my content? Sometimes you see certain videos on your feed and you're like, so YouTube is pushing this content out, and I have something very valuable that YouTube is not pushing out. But here's the truth. The algorithm just pushes content that are being clicked on more often. If you are selling something and people keep buying, this is what people are buying. Is this not what you are going to push out the more? That's what you're going to push out the more. So we have to put ourselves or our channel or our page in the position that the algorithm is going to push it by itself. People are going to click on it, and then it's going to be pushed out by itself. It is not personal. The algorithm is not really personal. It's just data. They processed it in a way that things that people are clicking on the more, or videos that people are clicking on the more, videos people are watching more, they tend to push that out to people a lot more. So always put your videos in that position. If it's keywords that you need to find from YouTube, for YouTube videos, if it's hashtags, I don't know if hashtags even works now, but if it's hashtags that you have to put in to push your videos or to make people click on your videos for the algorithm to help you push the video out to other people, do it. Do it. So stop focusing on the algorithm and making sure, especially for YouTube, you're thinking about your thumbnail, you're thinking about your click-through rates, you're thinking about your keywords that you need to put in your description, that you need to put in for YouTube to push out your content the more. I think the same applies to all the social media platforms. You just need to know what people love to watch on your page, and then you create more of that content, because whether you like it or not, there's a particular thing that you do on your page that people love the more. It's just that it's not something you are really interested in, so you are not seeing it. That's when we'll say, this thing that I didn't really try to even film, I just did it. See, that's the one that it's getting me more views. That is what people want to watch. And it also links up to the perfection topic I spoke about. It's not always about the perfection. Sometimes you do something at random and you post it on your pages, and those are the videos that get more the views. Those are the videos that get more views. And the ones that you sit and you act like a robot, you act so perfect and all that, they get less views. So you need to know it's a database thing. Algorithm is a database thing. It's not your friend, it's not your enemy. It's just pushing out videos that are being clicked more. Because if people don't click on your videos or people don't watch your videos through, why would the algorithm push it to other people? Because they feel like that content is not valuable. They feel like that content is not necessary. So when people are clicking on it, people are watching it through, then let's send it to other people for them to watch. That's how people go viral and all that. Just know how to work with the algorithm. Go through your pages, find that one content that you got more views on there, or people really saved, or people really commented. That is the video that you need to be pushing out more, or that is the type of video that you need to be pushing out more. Point number 5, community matters more than followers. And this one, community matters more than followers. This is something I genuinely didn't know, how much the community side of this would matter to me. Have you guys noticed when someone comments on your video, you made a video, a very good content, and someone comments on the video, oh, this really helped me. It has given me more insight on this. You know, when people post such comments on your videos, you feel very wholesome than you getting some number of views with no comments. Is it just me? But when people communicate with you through the videos that you're posting, it means a lot than you just getting the views and not really creating or getting a community out of that. That is going to help you build the brand that you want to build. People are going to fall in love with you. And let's just say you post a non-valuable content, something that is not really valuable. You're still going to get your views and you're still going to get people to like that video. It's just because you've built a very good community. You have 100 followers, but 50 out of that are always dedicated in watching your videos, commenting and liking your videos. That is your community. Whether you like it or not, 50 people are out there willing to support you in everything you do. That is what we call community. Not you having the 100 followers and you don't even have a community out of that. No connection with your followers, no communication with your followers. One thing I have said to myself, even if I go back on my social media pages, I am going to try my possible best to grow my community, because community is what holds you. People get brand deals and all that, not just from a lot of following. They get it because of the kind of community they have. They have that relationship with their followers, that strong bond with their followers. So brands are able to see that and they are able to grant them certain deals. Because when you get brand deals, or when a brand wants you to sell a product for them, you're not selling to your followers, you're selling to your community. You might have 100k followers, but it's not all the 100k followers that are going to buy the thing. It is just the 50k loyal fans or loyal community members that you have. They are the ones that are going to buy. So think of building your community than your followers, because your community is going to hold you. Whether you go up, you go down, you go side, you go left, you break, you fall. These community members are always going to hold you up again, rather than your entire followers. So think about having a community and not about how many followers you need to get. So that's it. These are my 5 real, honest, unfiltered truth about growing your channel or your pages as a small creator that nobody really talks about. It's going to be slow, it's going to be hard, it's going to test your patience, but it's so worth it when you find your community and you're also doing something that you really love. If you're a small creator like me, keep going. Seriously, because the ones who made it are actually the ones who didn't quit. And if you want to be part of those who really made it, then yes, you do not have to quit. So don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so hard. Okay, don't be so hard on yourself. Just keep pushing and you're going to get there. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a small creator too, or you also have any other points you want to add to these 5 points of mine? And tell us about your biggest struggle right now. And let's discuss about it. I'm also going to share mine in the comment section. So do well to add yours and let's make the comment section very interactive for us small creators, or even if you're a big creator watching me. Please come and drop some tips for us. We'll really love it and we'll really want to learn from that as well. Don't forget to like the video, give this video a thumbs up if you really did enjoy every bit of what I said and you agree with me. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. If this is your first time stopping by, subscribe, join the family. We'd love to have you here. And like I said, I really want to hear from you guys in the comment section. So do well to leave a comment before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.